Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Typhur fast Nugget ice maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker produces classic bullet ice, which is great for drinks but may melt faster. In contrast, the Typhur fast Nugget ice maker creates chewable nugget ice, which is favored for its texture and ability to keep drinks cold longer. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience. When it comes to production capacity, the Igloo can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is suitable for occasional use. However, the Typhur excels with a capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. This higher output can be a game changer for parties or family events. Both machines feature self-cleaning capabilities, but the methods differ. The Igloo offers a basic self-cleaning function, while the Typhur boasts a high-pressure cleaning system that ensures thorough maintenance. This advanced cleaning feature not only enhances the machine's longevity, but also guarantees fresh-tasting ice every time. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, compact ice maker, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is a solid choice. However, for those who prioritize ice quality and higher production capacity, the Typhur Fast Nugget ice maker is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.